motorcycles, and I recently purchased this incredible razor. I gotta tell you, I haven't used an electric razor in a long time on my head, and I realized that I could save myself so much more time by getting a quick shave, real easy. I can go portable with it anywhere, and I am thoroughly enjoying the incredible convenience of having this particular product. In fact, I love it so much, I purchased it and sent it as a gift to a friend of mine for his birthday. So if you are looking for the right kind of razor that will give you the shave you want conveniently, easily, and quickly, this is it.